Good morning, student. This is MSc Physics second, Physics first semester second, atoms and molecule, paper second. We have to discuss and Frank Condon's principle. Now we have to discuss in this principle. In a molecule, the individual atom vibrates about a mean position, and therefore the internuclear distance changes continuously. But according to Frank Condon's principle, an electronic transition takes place so rapidly that a vibrating molecule does not change its internuclear distance appreciably during the transition. They can only vibrate. During an electronic transition, the internuclear distance remains the same in electronic transition. They cannot change their internuclear distance. In internuclear distance remains the same means straight line representing a transition between electronic states will be vertical. Alternately, Frank Condon principle can be stated thus: the transition between electronic states occurs vertically in a potential energy diagram. We have already seen the origin of vibrational electronic transition in last article, vibrational course structure. We have to discuss the transition. 00 means ground state transition is going to excited transition 0 level, that is the 00 level. The 10 means ground state 0 and excited state 1. They are same as 20, 30, 40 and so on. It is observed that in certain cases the 00 transition is the most intense, where some other transitions is the most intense. Okay. Thus, the intensity distribution of the lines in electronic spectra of molecules is not same, because of the transition will be different. That's why the distribution of line electronic spectra are not same. The intensity variation are rapidly explained on the basis of Frank Condon principle. The anharmonic model of a diatomic molecule has a potential energy curve represented by the Morse function. This is the scientist. The name is Morse function. Figure 1 shows the Morse curve along with the probability density mod of psi square with internuclear distance for the lowest 5 energy states. For nu is equal to 0 means 0 state or ground state, the atom is most likely to be found at the center of its motion. For nu is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, the most probable position steadily approach the extremities in harmonic oscillator. This is the diagram 1 or figure 1, probability distribution of a diatomic molecule. Di means two molecules. This is the first state, and this lower state, and this is the excited state. This is the electron gives the energy, absorb the energy and goes to excited state, and then come to the excited state to ground state. It will emit the light or energy. This is the transition. Nu 0, 0, 0 transition means this ground state transition 0 to excited state transition 0. Then 10 means ground state transition 0 to excited state transition 1. Then 20 means ground state transition 0 and excited state transition 2 and so on. This is the transition between these two internuclear distances or intermolecular distances. This is the transition 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and so on. This is the psi 2 is the wave function. This is the diagram first. Consider a diatomic molecule undergoing transition from EE means E double prime E means electronic energy in lower state, to E prime E is the electronic energy in upper state. The figure 2 shows the different cases. These are the cases A, B, C, D. We have to explain one by one. And then this curve shows the intensity curve. This is 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0. This is the intensity curve of figure 2A. And this is the intensity curve of figure 2B, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. Then increases 2, 0. And this is figure C. This is the continuum spectra of the figure. The figure 2, the operation of the Frank-Condon principle for A means this figure, upper and lower states having the same internuclear distance. Okay, 0, 0. Then second one, figure B, upper state internuclear distance slightly greater than in the lower state, because of this is lower state is 0 and upper state is 1. And in figure C, upper state distance greater than in the lower state. This is the continuum spectra. Now in figure 2, in case 1, there are some cases. This is the first case. The bond length of the lower and upper electronic state are assumed to be equal, because of transition will be 0, 0. That's why all these terms are equal. If the molecule is initially in the nu is equal to 0, means frequency is equal to 0 of the lower electronic state, the probability of finding the atom is greatest at the equilibrium distance, since the vertical form, the maximum of nu double prime is equal to 0 means ground state energy meets to maximum of nu prime is equal to 0. This is the excited state energy. The most intense lines will be the 0, 0 transition as shown in figure 2a. We have to discuss. This is figure 2a. This is the transition between ground state as well as excited state. This is the maximum energy is the 0, 0 means transition allowed between ground state energy 0 to excited state energy 0. Now, in the sum A in figure 2b, the transition 2, B will be the most intense one. In figure 2b means transition allowed between ground state energy 0 to upper state energy 2 will be most intense. In figure 2c, the vertical from the maximum of nu double prime is equal to 0 means ground state energy is equal to 0 goes straight to the continuum of the state, and hence a continuum result means this transaction will be continuum the in figure C 2c. The Frank-Condon principle is thus able to account for the intensities of lines in vibrational electronic spectra. This is the Frank-Condon principle. Thank you very much.